Ons is vandag hier by St. Mary's Hoërskool vir meisies. Kom ons kyk of die volgende miljonair dalk in hierdie saal sit.
What's wrong with being confident? It's time to get the chains off. Is your tongue tied up? 'Cause this is my ground and I'm dangerous and you can get off, but it's all about me tonight. So you say I'm complicated, that I must be out of my mind, but you've got me underrated.
Dit was lekker om vanoggend hier met die meisies te praat by St. Mary's Hoërskool vir meisies en ek sien uit om te sien watter besighede hulle gaan inskryf vir die kompetisie.